Last week, we were able to host an open house in this beautiful single-family home in Cutler Bay that was listed for $849,000. And I never got a chance to tell you what actually happened. Aside from all the rain and storm that we had at that time, we had 7 families that came over and we received 1 offer and the property is already under contract. Which means that the other 6 families, unfortunately, were not able to get this property and they're still actively looking. And aside from these 6 families, we also have 8 other qualified buyers looking for a property in all of Miami: Coral Gables, Doral, Kendall, Fontainebleau, Brickell. So if you or anyone you know is considered selling their property, please reach out to us. We may be able to help these families find a property and also help you get top dollar for your home. If you are considering selling your home, but you have no idea what your home is worth in today's real estate market, don't worry about it. Just send us a message with your property address, and in 24 hours, I'll get back to you with a free home estimate. No strings attached. Even if you don't decide to sell afterwards, it's completely fine. But if you do know anybody else, neighbor, family, friend, that has told you they're looking to make a move, please let us know as well, because we're really trying to help these families find a place. And like I said, we could also find top dollar for your property in this market. So all you gotta do is send us your property address. Any other questions you guys may have, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.